Firstly, we have to start with a form. Either create a new one or use one of our templates. You can customize the form and add the field types that make sense for your case. To add a price to the form, we need to add a product field. By adding the product fields, the price variable will be added to your logic page, and you can add additional prices to this variable via the advanced logic. If you need to include additional costs, such as packaging or shipping fees, add a single choice field and add your options. Now it's time to connect your payment gateway to the form. This will redirect users to the payment page when they complete the order. Open the settings and enable Form with Payment option. Now select your payment method. Remember adding additional costs? To calculate the total price, we need to use the logic. From here, you can add a rule. After you're done setting up the rules for the logic, you'll need to display the total score to the user. To do so, we need to use answer piping. To pipe the total price of your form, you should add a content field and write inside the description part like this. And that's it.